Alright guys, so this is what you need to start off. You need 2 yarns. If you want, you guys could get 2 packets of nails, scotch tape, a hammer, a piece of paper, and also this wooden tape. I got everything at Walmart. Okay, so the first step is to just draw your outline out. I got my outline on Google and it was pretty easy. I'm not an artist. If you are an artist, then you could go ahead and draw your own. But I just traced mine on the computer and this is what my end result is. So I put the tape on the side just so it could be easier and it doesn't move. You can put it wherever you want. For the tape, I'm going to put a little bit more so it's stable. And just start hammering away. Oh my god, this is going to be hard with my nails. No. Alright guys, so this is the end result. Honestly, I got this idea from Pinterest and they did not say that this was gonna be hard. So, I mean, I have nails and I bought little nails. That kind of rhymes. But my recommendation is to definitely get bigger nails if you have nails. That doesn't make sense. Just get bigger nails and a better wood because mine cracked when my boyfriend was doing this part. So even when my boyfriend hammered the nails in, they wouldn't stay. So he had to use a long nail to make the hole. Take them out or take this nail out and just continuously make the hole so I could super glue the little nails inside. You know, I was gonna try to do a time lapse, you know, try to be cute and everything, but this was a lot stressing. Like, this was a lot harder than I thought. And I thought it was gonna be like fun, but this part was like the most stressful part of the whole craft or project. Now we're gonna get this green yarn-ish. I mean, they have multiple colors. They have darker green, but I decided to get this. I'm going to make a little tie, or a little, I guess like a circle. And then I'm gonna tie a knot on it so it stays and it doesn't get loose. Come on, nails. Sometimes it's hard to have nails. We're going to do little knots over it. So we're gonna tighten the outline of the cactus. You know, go into like a full circle. Alright, so I did the same thing like I did with the cactus. I made a little knot and then I'm just gonna cut the excess out. So I'm gonna use my picture as a reference just so I know where the dots need to go. So I noticed it was a little plain right here, so I wanted to be a little bit more creative. Since I have nothing else to do, I found this on Google. I put cactus quotes and it says, "Be a cactus in a world of delicate flowers." And I love that. So I mixed the green and the white together to make it a little bit more lighter. So cute. Alright, if you like this, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye guys.